Saan ba? 1, 2, 3.
Sancho ko magkasama tayo sa bumi ng kinabukasan. Sancho. Ladies and gentlemen, contestant number 1. Ladies and gentlemen, candidate number 3.
Anya, 8 years old, representing Karawang.
I am Red Harvey Pelasana Wanya. I am 14 years old, representing Cagayan Valley!
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for all our contenders for the best Filipino themed attire. Once again, practice tayo. Everybody ready? Mabuhay ang Siyempre! Ay, parang gusto ko mas malakas pa. Let's make it a bit more louder. Mabuhay ang Siyempre! There you go. Once again, good job, guys. Good job. Thank you very much to all our 26 contenders. And once again, thank you for our sponsors and our panel of judges, Miss Sam of Bergman Mall, Mr. Chris Dickman of Allegra, the Filipinas magazine, and of course, Miss Eileen Cunningham of the Cunninghams, the merch. And of course, we would like to thank our sponsors for the Bergman Street Food Festival Season 3, Travel Wings and Infinity Business Consultancy. And of course, maraming salamat din to Blue Avenue Events and Manny Johnson Production. And of course, we'd like to invite our panel of judges to have their photo op with all our contenders. Once again, palakpakan naman for Miss Sam, Mr. Chris, and Miss Eileen. Please do watch out for the upcoming merch. We have congratulations. Thank you. You all look stunning with your Filipino themed attires. And of course, everyone's a winner already. but later on we shall be announcing our top 6 winners. And of course, everybody receives something, of course, from Bergman Street Food Festival. And once again, with all our contenders wearing their Filipino-themed attire, this song is entitled Minsan pa nalilinisan mo po. Itaguhin mo ang iyong mga pangarap. Susukunin buhay sa lahat ng mga Pilipino all over the world. Maligayang araw ng kalayaan. Maraming salamat. And now, announcement of winners.
Wave your hand there.
Do we have the results?